Many women today take inspiration from Priyanka Chopra or Deepika Padukone or Kajol. They think that these movie stars are the real feminists. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Of course, these people have achieved incredible feat in their own profession. We cannot discount that. There's a lot of grit, determination to be wherever these people are. But calling them as the epitome of women empowerment will be an overstatement. It's a travesty that a 5-year-old or a 10-year-old kid in India would know everything about these celebrities, will take inspiration from these celebrities, but they will have absolutely no clue of the legends that India has produced in the past. To begin with, in the name of someone called Sarojini Naidu. If there is any true feminist that India has produced, it has to be Sarojini Naidu. What is feminism? Of course, it has various strands to it. But at its very core, feminism is an ideology that advocates for gender equality. It advocates for women's rights on the grounds of political, social, economic fronts. And here you have a woman born in 1879, almost 150 years ago, in a traditional Indian society. A woman who did not just break the gender norms, but redefined gender norms because of her contributions. None other than Sarojini Naidu. Think about this. She was born and brought up in an age when women were confined to domestic roles. Sarojini Naidu did not just step out of those roles, but also made substantial contributions in areas that were predominantly male-dominated. Politics, literature. She advocated for women's rights, championed for the cause of women's education, not because that her next movie was about to get released. She advocated for those issues because she genuinely believed in those issues. She believed in the progress of the nation. She did not just speak of political rights for women, she even participated actively in politics herself. She was the first Indian woman to hold the post of the President of Indian National Congress. Not only that, after India gained independence in 1947, she will be appointed as the governor of Uttar Pradesh, becoming the first woman to hold the office of governor in the Dominion of India. Her tenure from 1947 to 49 further cemented her legacy as a trailblazer for women in Indian politics. Sarojini Naidu was very clear that the progress of a nation is directly linked with the progress of its women. And she had worked tirelessly to achieve that until her last breath. Her poetry was exquisite. It is not a surprise, she was also a renowned poet. The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing, Golden Threshold. These were some of the remarkable works in the history of Indian literature. She was bestowed with the title of Bharat Kokila for a reason, Nightingale of India. She participated in the Indian national movement when she first met Gopal Krishna Gokhale in 1905. Inspired by Gokhale, she became a full-time worker for the causes of India's national independence. Her eloquent speech, her logic, her analysis, all of those qualities made her not just an influential leader, but an inspirational leader. It is a travesty that such ideals and the makers of modern India have been casually replaced by Instagram and YouTube stars. But at least some of you will remember her and cherish her inspirational contribution to the making of modern India forever. Now I want you to watch a 4 minutes clip because I do not think my words can describe this situation better than what is depicted in that clip.